In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clean your oven. Does your oven often look like this? Okay, maybe not that bad, but I would totally understand you if you do not feel like cleaning your oven right after baking. Also, it gets worse and worse with every baking process. However, instead of buying some chemicals and expensive products to clean your oven, you can make it cleaning with baking powder, vinegar and water. Now I would like to show you how you do this. First, you need a pot or baking dish, which you can also put in the oven. Next, you put 80 g baking powder in the pot. Add also 50 to 70 ml of water in there. Finally, you add a dash of vinegar and stir the mixture with a spoon. Now let it thaw and wait a bit. In the end, the mixture should not be super liquid but also not slushy. Once you have stirred the whole thing thoroughly so that the baking powder has completely dissolved, you can spread it in your oven. Now the paste looks like this. Here it is the best to put on gloves and use a sponge or cloth. Use these to grease the mixture in the entire oven. On places where your oven is particularly dirty, you put a lot of paste on it. After you have covered your whole oven with this mixture, there should be a small amount left in the pot. Place also this pot in the middle of the oven. Now set your oven to 100 degrees and let it run for an hour. During this time, the mixture of baking powder, water and vinegar should do its job and soften all the stains. After the hour is over, your oven will look like this. Then you can simply wipe off the stains with a damp cloth. If there are persistent stains in your oven, like in mine, you may have to wipe a little more and start a second process. Nevertheless, this method works very well and the result is impressive. With this method, you definitely can clean your oven without using chemicals or other cleaners, which are much more expensive. Of course, it is the best to clean your oven regularly, so that the oven does not get too dirty, but when it's too late, this cleanup is perfect. Actually, it couldn't be easier. I hope that this video could help you. I would be very happy to get a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment about your experience with this baking powder vinegar mixture for cleaning your oven, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.